Hello, everyone! Today we're diving into the CS Card Payment Method Restriction add-on. It allows users to control which payment methods appear at checkout based on products, categories, and gift certificates, making transactions smoother and smarter. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. After installing the add-on, go to Developers, Webkul Software Private Limited. Here, I can see the Payment and Shipping Method Restriction add-on. After opening it, under Settings, I can see the list of all available payment methods. I can restrict some of them. For example, I want to restrict phone ordering for a gift certificate. Now let me go to the storefront. I'll fill in all the required fields, enter the amount, add any message, and provide a random email address. On the checkout page, I can see the restricted payment methods, and if I try to check out with one of them, I'll get an error message saying, "Cannot proceed as this payment method is restricted. Please try another payment method." This is how I can put restrictions on payment methods for gift certificates. The same process can be applied to products and categories. Let's check that as well. For a product, to apply restrictions, go to the product page. Here, I can see payment and shipping restrictions. Under this section, I'll get the list of all payment and shipping methods. For example, I can restrict COD, phone ordering as a payment method, and a custom shipping method for this product. After saving the changes, I can go to this product, proceed to the checkout page, and see the restricted payment and shipping methods. The same can be done for categories. Let's go to a category where the admin wants to apply restrictions. For example, I want to apply restrictions to the men's clothing category. On the payment and shipping method settings for this category, I can choose the payment and shipping methods to restrict. Additionally, there's an option on the category page that says Apply to all subcategories. If the category is a parent category and I select this option, the changes will be applied to all subcategories under it. After making the changes, I can go to the storefront, select men's clothing, choose any product, add it to the cart, and see the restrictions applied from the category. This is the complete working of the add-on. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.